Hollywood, California, home of the 16th Annual World Championships of Performing Arts. This spectacular event is held at the world-class Westin Bonaventure Hotel and Suites Resort. Talent from 50 countries compete in an Olympic-style battle for the prestigious title of Grand Champion Performer of the World. Singers, dancers, models, actors, instrumentalists, and variety artists vie for the gold, silver, and bronze, as well as $130,000 in scholarships. This exciting world meet begins with the official delegates proudly representing the customs and heritage of their respective countries in a colorful opening ceremony's Parade of Nations. Recognized as the only international talent competition of its kind, held annually in Hollywood, the entertainment capital of the world.